Yes. Uh, Good morning, all. This is Dr. Vijay Vadai. Would like to give some important, significant highlight on some important issues of the students who will be coming to the campus. What are those concern points of these students that I would like to read it, and I will be addressing one by one later on. First is, what is the announcement of the term starts? Second, how the classes will be conducted in the campus. Third, what is the campus level preparations for as far as this disinfection and hygiene is concerned. What is the role of the COVID cell which has been existing into the campus, and how the students have to utilize their current time right now into their where they are there at their residence, and what should be the preparation for the placement process and attendance for the online activity, and last and important thing as far as this examination guidelines. Here let me tell you as far as this first point of when will be the commencement of the term. Let me tell you, as per the university's guideline, SPPU university's guideline, our term is going to start on 15th of June 2020. For the first period of the 15 days, some important certification program, value addition program and add-on course, and as far as the preparatory course will be covered by all the department. As far as the teaching learning process is concerned, that will commence from 1st July very aggressively as per the timetable mentioned by each and every department. All the heads of the department have prepared the timetable for the online program as well as the offline program. We are trying to have the blend of these two programs. This program which will be commencing will be the blend of online as well as the offline, means what the students have to come to the campus, that is offline, and the students have to work from home, and the faculty will be also disseminating all the important teaching learning process from the college, and the student will be receiving from at their own places. Let me tell you, we do have the two important departments, computer and IT. Most of the programs, theory and practical, 90% they will be doing from their home. For a very important and personal communications and the discussions of any kind of the query, they have to report to the campus as and when the teacher guardians will be asking them to report for. Or the head of department, any message is there, accordingly they have to come. Then other three branches as far as this electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation engineering, production engineering, civil engineering and mechanical engineering, for that what we have all the students, 50% students approximately, means with respect to the mechanical engineering and civil engineering have to come into the morning shift, that is A to A1, and ENTC, production and instrumentation department have to come into the second slot, that is 1 to 5. So for the first 2 months, there will be till the 15th of August, there will be the online programs of all the department, and then 15th of August onward there will be the offline, means the practical and other things will be executed into the various department. So this is with respect to the commencement of how our college will be running during this particular period after 15th of the June. The student have to ensure their admission before 15th of the June. It's very simple. As the student admission process may starts from 8th to 10th of the June till 15th of the June, student have to register online and they have to process the fees as far as this admission fee is concerned through our automatic process, which is linked with your Corpol ERP, that is the software through the Atom Gateway. As already the students are very familiar with respect to the exam filling form, similarly you have to submit your regular registration and the fees online through the Corpol. If any kind of the difficulties are there with respect to the admission process, they can contact to the student section of our department, of our college. The next question which is concerned to the student, that what are the specifically the campus preparation as far as this disinfection and as far as the hygienic process is concerned established into the our campus. You know that already the COVID cell has been formed where the 5 to 7 faculty members are allocated this particular task as far as this disinfectifications of this particular campus and sanitization of entire working place moment they are entering into the gate. Similarly, till they are into the class, that how the arrangement has been done, that I am going to explain now. All the students will be advised for the precautionary measure as far as the social distancing. They have to maintain the social distance 3 to 6 feet, preferably. They have to wear the mask. They have to use the Arogya Setu applications, and this application has to be installed onto their mobile. And they have to have the habit of the frequent washing of the hands and use of sanitizer, which is made available into the campus. This is made available into all the toilets and bathroom also, as well as at the entry of the gate of all the buildings. When they will be entering into the department, the sanitization facility is made available and they can make the use of that. Sitting arrangement with the faculty as well as the students, when they will be coming and performing the practicals, only 10 students will be allowed to sit into the laboratory, and they will be allowed with the proper social distancing maintained into the specific lab. As far as, even though the 20 student batch is there, the 10 student will be into the classroom and 10 student will be into while doing the practicals, and one faculty will be there to steer them, guide them and direct them, coach them, mentor them, as well as the experimentation is concerned. So they will be taking all care as far as the practical education is concerned. We have made this particular batches with respect to as far as the class wise, division wise, and to avoid the overcrowding. And I am sure that total, if you look at out of the 4,000 students, at a time there will be the hardly 300 students in entire college at a time. And that too are spread across all the 7 departments. Means ideally there will be 50 to 60 students on a day as far as. So proper care is taken as far as this the students' education is concerned. And the students' entry is restricted now. Even visitors who would like to come, they have to first seek the permission, get the batches, and then they can. Other people are not allowed to enter the particular campus. Proper hygiene care has been taken, and in case of any kind of the difficulty, or Dr. Pandya is there, who is from the pharmacy department, he will be communicating to the doctors if suppose somebody is finding any difficulty as far as the health and hygiene is concerned. We have a 2 resident doctor in our campus. They can take care as far as everybody's health. They have to intimate to the immediately COVID cell which is existing, and they will be intimating to as far as health is concerned. Third important point and perspective of the student is concerned as far as the placement preparation is concerned. What are they have to do in this particular period? Now the third year batch, they are absolutely, what kind of the preparation they have to do, that need to be understood carefully. As far as the final year batch is concerned, which is 2021 batch, most of the students are placed, but still they have to in touch with this training and placement cell as far as the placement drive, other placement activity, which company is coming. They have to be in touch with them, and I am sure the training and placement department is taking care whenever there are any kind of the drive, placement drive. Initially, right now, as far as this tests are concerned, reasoning test is concerned, all the tests will be conducted online, and the final interview will be taken maybe in the September or October, because though the period is online as far as this recruitment process is concerned, that is already available, but final interview and the offer letter will be given in the month of September and October. But training and process, recruitment process is absolutely on in our campus. Now let me tell you what are other till date you get the intimation from the placement department. You have to prepare for your all the personal making your CV. You have to prepare for all the kind of the certification with respect to your branch. Whatever with respect to the necessity as far as the branch wise is concerned, you have to get prepared yourself, enhance your capacity, enrich your knowledge base, enrich your soft skill, communication skill, and this can be done for a couple of months, and whenever there will be a dry placement round, you have to come and give this particular your interview and appear for the interview, so that you will get selected into your required desired company, that is your destination. Last point, I hope that I have addressed important as far as the placement is concerned. Placement department is very active, and whatever the orders which has been given, second important one, whatever the orders which has been given to the students, once they are placed into the company, that are going to stand as it is, need not have to worry at all, or their placement is not going to be delayed. That is the commitment has been given by the company. Last point with respect to the examination is concerned, let me tell you, as far as the final point of discussion, as far as the examination is concerned, you know that Government of Maharashtra already announced that there will not be any kind of the examination. But still, there may be confusion because of the current news which has been given by the governor. But that decision anyway, which will be coming from the SPPU as time to time, if it is coming to the college, which will be disseminated to you quickly. Right now, as far as the result declaration is concerned, it will be done on time, because all the assessment with respect to your term work, your oral, your practical, your seminar and your project has been done from the college side. It is going to be submitted in a due course of time, maximum 2 days. Only what is remained as far as the in-sem examination assessment, that will be done quickly, shortly, and will be submitted to the university before 10th of June. And this is as per the university guideline. All this as per the deadlines, guidelines from the university are properly displayed onto our website. Please do visit and be very happy and stay very happy. If any kind of the confusion is there or any kind of the questions, you please talk to your respective head of department. They will talk to me, and accordingly I will be able to address. I hope these are all the important points I have covered from student-centric perspective. This is Dr. Vijay Vadai. I wish you all the best for the better examination, better study, better next terms, and commencement of the next term. Stay happy, stay healthy, and be active as far as your teaching learning process is concerned. Thank you very much.